Greetings from Romania. We have lived on that van for 8 years and traveled the whole Europe.
And we already came to Romania, one of our favorite countries.
We are these narcissists watching our
we feel
videos.
Very good getting our
They are
van
great.
home back, so we are excited to do some.
We have been talking about buying a projector for our van for years and years. So finally we got one. Yeah, top draw, and it was 200 euros. I think quite good projector for this price. We don't want to spend 1,000 euros for little better projector. This is, I think, more than enough for us. And we don't need mobile projector. A lot of them are really small and compact, and they have batteries and everything, but we don't need those, and mobility also costs a lot. So we are gonna install this permanently to our van, and it's gonna work just great.
These small projects always turn out to be the way bigger than first planned. Oh boy, if we ever move to house, everything will be so smooth and nice because no tight spaces. The problem with this camper van is everything is so tiny and these are so well built that there's no extra space anywhere. Yeah, so even simple tasks are really hard.
Tuolta mä en pääse, mutta tieltä mä pääsen tuolta noin. Ui.
Seems like today is a demolition day. We have gone through all the routes that we could get electricity from front of the van to the back of the van. It's really hard to get those wires through the van because every nook and cranny and every corner is full of things. So these compartments are so small that we couldn't get any wires through them. Yeah. I think the best bet is to take the wire through behind the bathroom wall, but also that place is really tight. There is already, I think, 3 or 4 wires that we have got there, so we need to take the same route to get back there. Yeah. But we tried every possible route that there could be, and everything failed. So now we are just pondering where we're gonna get wire to this corner. Let's see. There's always struggles, but struggles are just
Struggles are just van life.
struggles are just van life.
There's a lot of going on in our toilet compartment at the moment. Plenty of wires, but it did work. Yes.
Yay, we got the wire fit through. We used actually existing wire and pull it with that, the new wires there. Okay, now we can actually start doing something, because this was the hardest part, to get the wires through that to the back. This is the easy one.
It's a mess, but I think we did it, Janni.
Yay! We got the wire to the back of the van through those really small crank places. Now it's here, and now we just have to take it from here to the other side. Then it's done. Then it's done. Yay!
I hope we don't have to put any wires from our toilet ever again.
And we have 0 extra wire. It's like a perfect size length. It comes here, so perfect. We didn't waste any extra penny.
No.
No. More and more van is disassembled. Now we got the wire through this compartment, and it's already here. So we just have to get it here. It's easy to renovate your van when you have no outside facilities.
Yeah. It's not good to do these things in a rainy day, but when you are restless.
To install the projector we need also a drill bit, so that's why we bought a drill again. Yeah, just getting like I think 8 holes or 12 holes total, and we have to buy a drill. But it was 18 euros. Parkside. It's a little drill just to get these wires here. Took us I think 4 or 5 hours wandering around where we could actually get these wires here. But now they are finally there. They are neatly there waiting the plug here, so we have a 230 volts in the back of the van.
We have a trouble deciding where we put the
Curtain.
screen. Is it here or is it a little bit lower behind, underneath the cabinets, but then the screen is so much smaller. Tuuks mä pitelissä?
Here. Tää on sun päässä. Oh here. Ei oo. Tää on täällä. Tää voi olla
Potkiminen.
Ei oo, tällä.
Niin joo.
What?
Joo.
No kicking off the screen. It's higher. The screen is closer to us. I think this is better. Still.
I have a hard time admitting this, but I think Joni is right. Let's put it closer.
Sarah's worst nightmare that those lights doesn't shine from there, but they shine.
There's a gap.
Yeah. So now the installation is almost completed. And
wow! Such a bright.
yeah, this will be working great for our movie setups.
For the winter time and the rainy day fun. It feels really cute because we do watch a lot of movies and TV series, so it was a little treat for us. We are not going to do any product review about this projector because we bought it ourselves. This is not sponsored and
Yeah. So it's a Topron TR22.
yeah.
Yeah, it's a really cheap projector, but our budget was 200 euros and we got 200 euro projector, which works really great.
Yeah. It's big and bulky and kind of ugly, but we want everything to be fixed in this van. We are not those kind of couples who host movie nights. Nope, nope, nope. We just watch movies ourselves, so this can be here all the time. We don't need the portable projector.
Yeah, but picture is good. It's bright even on the daytime when there's sunshine, and maybe one thing would be that there would be like a bigger screen, but let's see. Otherwise, I think it's perfect for 200 euro projector. It has Miracast, so you can cast your phone. It's a bit laggy because yeah, it's a cheap projector, and you can use USB, or actually not USB. We bought this small hard drive, so here we're gonna actually save all our movies, and we can just plug it in to the projector and watch it through that. Yeah, we download a lot of movies. We don't have a Netflix or anything else, so that's why we can watch movies from USB drive.
A few moments later.
Woman can change her mind how many times she wants.
Even in the same day, I have an instant regret. I kind of want this screen to be underneath our cabinets. I hate this setup. Imagine living with me.
But I said we will watch a couple of movies now with the screen over here, and then if Shara is still wanting the screen behind, then we just do it. Arguments are behind, so now we can enjoy.
Open your mouth.
We are really a movie freaks, so we watch a lot of movies and a lot of series. For example, Vikings, I think we are on season 6 at the moment. So we have watched all of them. And I think next series will be Supacell. We have been a couple of nights on this park, which is outskirts of the Sibiu. Yeah, it's abandoned park where basically nothing. It's really popular among other van lifers. They come here because Transfagarasan is just close here, and that's why there's a lot of people. Yeah, we are not going to go to the Transfagarasan. We have driven it 2 times already. It's like around the corner, so we're gonna continue towards Brasov. Before that we have to go again to hardware store to get some screws to get the work complete, and then we can go somewhere nature again.